Do you love sewing but aren't sure how to turn your skills into a real business? The good news is, there are so many different ways to make money with sewing, and you don't need a fashion degree or a huge budget to get started. In this video, I'm going to share 25 sewing business ideas grouped into 5 categories so you can pick the one that fits you best. 1. Sewing as a service. If you enjoy working with people directly and solving their clothing problems, these service-based ideas might be your best fit. Alterations, hemming pants, fixing zippers, and resizing clothes. It's one of the easiest ways to start and brings in repeat customers. Clothing repairs. Simple fixes like patching holes or replacing buttons may seem small, but they add up fast. Dressmaking, designing and sewing custom outfits for special occasions. Perfect for weddings, graduations, or cultural wear. Cosplay costumes. Fans spend big on detailed costumes. If you're creative, this niche can be surprisingly profitable. Production costumes. Think theatre, dance schools, and local performances. They often need multiple costumes made to order. 2. Sewing products to sell. If you'd rather create and sell items, here are product-based ideas you can turn into a business. Quilts and quilting. Handmade quilts are timeless, and quilting groups can also lead to custom orders. Embroidery. Personalized names, logos, or gifts. Embroidery is perfect for both individuals and businesses. Lingerie. Unique, handmade lingerie sells well in boutique markets and online shops. Home decor cushion covers, curtains, and table runners are always in demand. Sewing kits. Pack together fabric, thread, and instructions so beginners can complete a project easily. 3. Teaching and education. If you enjoy showing others how to sew, this category can be very rewarding. Teach sewing. Offer lessons to kids, teens, or adults in your community or online. Course creator. Build online sewing classes that people can purchase and learn at their own pace. Membership programs. Offer exclusive patterns, tutorials, or live sessions for a monthly fee. Pattern designer. Create and sell your own sewing patterns online or in print. Pattern tester. Sample maker. Help other designers by testing their patterns before release. 4. Content and influence. This is for those who like sharing their sewing journey and building an audience. Sewing podcaster. Talk about sewing trends, interview other sewists, and share tips through audio. Influencer, YouTuber, share tutorials, hacks, or behind-the-scenes sewing projects on social media. Sewing book writer. Write books that cover techniques, projects, or even your own story as a sewist. Sewing copywriter. Use your sewing knowledge to write product descriptions, blog posts, or ad copy for sewing brands. 5. Fabric and tools. And finally, if you'd rather deal in supplies and tools, here are ideas for you. Bricks and mortar fabric store, a physical shop where local sewists can come for fabric, notions, and advice. Online fabric store. Sell fabric, kits, or sewing tools through your own website or marketplaces. Repair sewing machines. A skill that's always in demand since every sewist eventually needs repairs or servicing. And there you have it, 25 different sewing business ideas you can start in 2025. The key is to pick one that matches your skills, your lifestyle, and the type of customers you want to serve. Which one excites you the most? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to know. And if you're serious about starting your sewing business, don't forget to subscribe for more tips, because in upcoming videos, I'll show you exactly how to get started with some of these ideas step by step.